Just a couple of weeks ago, OnePlus launched their all-new Nord 3 5G phone in India, right? Now they're back with the Nord C3 5G phone. This one actually packs like really good upgrades and feature improvements over their last gen model. Main highlight is you're getting like a better display, 120Hz Fluid AMOLED panel, upgraded Snapdragon CPU, and not only that, you're also getting like a flagship level triple camera setup on this thing. The same main camera found on their flagship OnePlus 11 phone. So I'm like very excited to unbox and show this brand new phone to you people in this video. Let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new OnePlus Nord C3 5G smartphone came in this sort of box packaging. You have the Nord branding on the front, says Nord C3 5G, and packaging looks very similar to their Nord lineup, guys. Now going to the back here, you've got some details about the model. It's available in two different color variants. You get Aqua Surge and Grey Shimmer. We have this beautiful Aqua Surge variant, and also comes in two variants. You get 8 plus 128GB, 12 plus 256. This is the top end variant. Coming to the price, now you people know, right? Base variant costs around 26,999, and this top end 12 plus 256 model costs around 28,999. So that is pretty much it. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. At the top you have an accessory box which includes a lot of paperwork and also some OnePlus stickers as well. Keeping that aside, yay, you're also getting a free case for the phone as usual. It's a decent quality silicone case, comes in the same Nord theme color finish. Keeping that aside, there you go boys, our brand new smartphone we've been waiting for, the all new Nord C3 5G 2023 edition in Aqua Surge color. Oh wow, this actually looks pretty nice. We'll just come back to the smartphone in a moment. Along with that, in the package you also get a 80-watt SuperVOOC charger and a Type-C cable for the power adapter. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the smartphone and talk about the design and the build quality. Compared to the last year CE2, that big camera bump is gone, guys. It's much more cleaner now. Only two camera rings protruding out of the body. Let me give you like a full walk around, guys. On the front you're getting a 6.7 inches 1080p 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display. That too, this is a 10-bit panel with 240Hz touch sampling rate. At the top you're getting a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and look at this, you're also getting a pre-applied screen guard from the factory. Going to the side, you're getting a flat body design, pretty nice, and over here you got the volume rocker and a power button just below that. Quality of the buttons is also nice. And going to the top, a new surprise for the CE series, you're getting an IR blaster included this time, followed by a secondary noise cancelling mic. There's nothing on the left side, and on the bottom you're getting a SIM card tray. It supports dual nano SIMs, primary microphone, Type-C for charging, and your bottom firing speaker. The Nord CE3 features dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, guys. So I'll definitely show you the audio quality in a moment. And here's how the back of the phone looks like. Aqua Surge is the same color finish that you would see on their Nord branding, guys, and looks quite attractive in hand. This back panel is actually made of like a soft polycarbonate like material, but actually looks like glass finish from far. Anyways, good thing is it doesn't even attract fingerprints over here and has a nice glossy sort of finish. And look at that camera setup at the top. You're getting like stainless steel rings over here to protect the camera lenses, and primary one is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 camera with OIS, guys, the same one found on OnePlus 11 flagship phone, followed by an 8 megapixel ultra wide is there, 2 megapixel macro, and on board you're getting a 5000 milliampere battery. So those are like the main specs and full on walkthrough. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the phone, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. In the meantime, let me quickly brief you up on the specs. It packs a 6.7 inch 1080p 120Hz Fluid AMOLED 10-bit display, and talking about the CPU, you're getting Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G, which is a 6nm based octa-core chipset and packs Adreno 64012. And talking about the RAM and storage specifications, as I've told you, you're getting like two variants. 8 plus 128 is there, 12 plus 256 we have the higher end variant, and the RAM on board is LPDDR4X, and yes, it does support RAM Vita expansion. This is something new on the Core Edition series, and the storage is UFS 3.0 super fast one. And coming to the cameras, you're getting rare triple camera setup, and main highlight is that primary camera. It's the same one found on their flagship OnePlus 11 phone, guys, the 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor one with optical image stabilization and has like an f1.8 aperture. The second one is an 8 megapixel 112 ultra wide angle lens, and finally you're getting a 2 megapixel macro camera also. On the front, you're getting a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and all of this is powered by a 5000 milliampere battery. So it's been like 5-6 days, I believe I've been using this phone for the past week, and there are so many points I have to share with you people in this video. First of all, C3 5G definitely looks quite nice in the hand, guys. Doesn't feel like a budget sort of OnePlus phone. It does retain its premiumness, and since you're getting an AMOLED display, obviously you're also getting always on display support also. And this phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. So let's quickly put that to a test and see how it performs. I've already set it up, guys, so let's quickly do that. Okay. Hey, not bad, I would say. Pretty decent performance. See, I wouldn't say it's like as fast as OnePlus flagship level phone, but TK, for a core edition series, this is pretty good. And there you go, here's how the home screen on the phone looks like. Very beautiful looking display, guys. Now come on, OnePlus always gives like beautiful looking displays, and there is no compromise in this segment. Bezels are also very thin over here on the sides and also bottom also. So pretty good looking device, I would say. Let's quickly head over to the software section and also check out the settings as well. As I've told you guys, phone runs on the latest Oxygen OS 13.1, basically Android version 13. So on board you're getting 12 gigs of RAM plus RAM beta expansion is there, where you can expand from 4 to all the way up to 12 GB as per your requirement, and storage on board is 256 GB. So you're getting roughly around like 225 GB of free space, which is like plenty, guys. And here are your display section settings. Plenty of options are there, and yes, you do have like an auto select refresh rate option also, which will automatically set 60 or 120 depending on the content that you're watching. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some video demos over here, just have a look at them, and then we'll talk about the display and the speaker quality on this phone. Now first of all, guys, I have to say it comes with a beautiful 6.7-inch 1080p 120Hz AMOLED display, and there is nothing less to expect over here, guys. OnePlus has not compromised anything even on the core edition lineup. So you're getting a beautiful panel, everything looks crisp and clear, good amount of detail thanks to that 1080p resolution, and colors just pop out on the panel, guys, all thanks to that AMOLED display over here. Color reproduction, color accuracy, everything were on point, even the white balance as well, and contrast levels, black levels, near to infinite contrast ratio, all thanks to that AMOLED panel over here. Brightness is also very good. Panel can go really bright, and I had no issues checking out the display in like even outdoor situations as well, and viewing angles are also great. On the overall now, very satisfactory display for the price that you're paying. And not to miss out, you're getting stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos over here. One is on the bottom side and the other one is your earpiece situated speaker, guys, and definitely you're getting like a good quality speaker set over here. Great clarity sound, treble quality was nice, and on the overall now you'll be like very happy and satisfied with both the display and speaker set available on this phone. Full on entertainment package is what I can say. What is up, guys? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because as I've told you, we have something entirely new from Lenovo here. Before we move on and talk about the camera quality and also check out a few camera samples I shot on this phone, let's talk about the performance. As I've told you guys, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 782G. Now this is a 6nm based octa-core chipset and features Adreno 64012 GPU on board. And let me tell you, it's a good CPU for the price that you're paying. You can do a lot of things, like you won't face any sorts of lags or stuff, nothing like that. Muska performance you'll get, and not just day-to-day related works, you can even use it for good gaming also. You can easily play most of your popular games like PUBG, Battleground Mobile, all of these will run very easily over here. But I wouldn't say like this is the best sort of chipset you would get in this price range over here, because you already know, right, recently Poco F5 came, which actually features Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 for the same sort of pricing, so that definitely kills it in terms of performance. But hey, on the contrary, OnePlus gives you better display, speakers, and not to miss out the cameras also. So this is like a much more well-balanced device is what I can say, guys. Though again, we're not doing any gaming in this video because this is not a gaming review. If you're interested, let me know and I'll definitely do that maybe in a part 2. So now let me just quickly open up the camera app and show you how the UI interface everything looks like. You're getting triple camera setup. Main one is a 50 megapixel Sony sensor, as I've told you, and yes, it has optical image stabilization as well. And camera quality was actually quite impressive for the price that you're paying. Now again, as I've told you guys, it's the same main unit found on their flagship OnePlus 11 phone. So obviously you'll get like decent results, though the ultra wide and macro were not that great. Anyways, let me quickly show you some samples. Just check out these samples so you'll get an idea on the picture quality. Again, though this is not a full review, so I'll be sharing my complete review on the camera, gaming, and all of that in my second part, guys, full review video. You'll have to stay tuned over there. This is just more like an unboxing and initial impressions kind of stuff. So I'll be using this phone for a couple of days and I'll be testing it in much more intensive ways. Like, I'm thinking of doing an intense gaming session, playing Genshin Impact and a couple of other games also. And let me know if you people have any other requests in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that. So in my second part, which is like the review video, I'll be covering in depth on the gaming thermal performance, how is the heating, camera quality also, and finally share my thoughts on the battery life, guys. Finally, talking about the pricing of this phone starts at 26,999 for the base variant, and the top end variant goes up to like 28,999. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.